ivytech first helped me get some confidence. I only graduated high school a couple of years ago when I should have graduated more than a couple of years ago. I chose the healthcare specialist program because I enjoy healthcare. I started doing home health for a long time, and then when I started at the Deaconess Clinic, I found that I really love patient care. ivytech was the first right step for me because I hadn't been in school for quite some time and I wanted to start slow, so I was able to do some online classes before I got into the program. They set me up to thrive. They have been helpful each step of the way to make sure that I'm getting where I need to go so that I can achieve the degree that I want. My experience with ivytech has helped me see my future in a successful way. It took me a couple of months of looking at the ivytech website before I finally reached out to an advisor to see what I needed to do to take the step. And once I took that step, the ball just started rolling. It never stopped, and I'm glad it didn't, because if I would have taken that pause, I don't know if I would be here right now. But my instructors, my advisors, my teachers, everybody has helped me to be successful and continue into the career that I now chose and love.